Hi, and welcome to Simply Learn Stuff. In previous videos, we looked at some of the more common text functions found in Excel, such as the left, right, length, and find functions. In this video, we will take a look at how we can combine certain functions to make useful data sets. As explained in previous videos, we use the left function to extract the initial from column B. If we want to use this to, for example, to make a unique email address, we can use the left function and then combine it with the surname and then a string of text, for example, an @company name, to be able to create unique email addresses. For this, we can either use a function called Concatenate. You will notice in Office 316, it will have a function called Concat, but it also has a function called Concatenate, which is compatible with older versions of Excel. In this example, as we are working with Office 365, we will use the function Concat. The first portion of the Concat function is wanting the first portion of text. In this case, we will want the initial. In this case, you can either select the cell which you have already entered the left function into, or you can simply type the function again as it is typed in the previous videos. For this example, we simply will just select the cell K2, followed by a comma. The concat function will request a second portion of text. In this case, because we want to include the surname in the email address, we will select cell C2. Followed by an additional comma, we can add additional text again. As we want it to be an email address, we can simply add a double quotation mark and add the domain that is required. For example, @ourcompany.com. We add in a double quotation mark again and close the function with a closing bracket. This will give us the initial as well as the surname with the @ourcompany.com domain. This can be spelled downwards to be able to create unique email addresses for all staff. In later videos, we will look at additional ways of how we can combine these text formulas to create unique data sets. I trust you enjoy this video, and remember to like and subscribe.